Hey guys, another update on the S&P 500. Can you see my screen? Wait. Yes. Yeah, I'm too lazy to sit on my desk, so I'm in the couch. But basically, weird day, honestly. Like I didn't expect it to be this green. I mean, okay, we reacted to the point of control, so the chart still works, I guess. We didn't take this low yet. Now, from just a feeling point of view, I want to see continuation actually tomorrow, etc. But for that, then we have to go with the green count here, a W, X, Y, and then this is a wave 1, A, B, C, and a wave 2. Very weird then, but that's the only thing that we can do here. 3, 4, 5. But again, be careful, it's a really still a fragile period, okay? Fragile times, I guess. What I did here locally is I'm gonna remove this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because it's pretty much invalidated. Of course, for this C wave, we can then shift to a WXY with this being an A wave. If we can force an A, B, C in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. And then this may be a B wave and then a C wave still in this WXY. Okay, but for that we have these white fips here locally. For the bulls, if you want to put the wave 2 here, we want to see this as a 1, 2, 3, and then this is your wave 4. Fips are taken from this low to this high. And then just to check as well, where did we land with this move up? 1.618, and it's also being respected here. So now locally we want to hold these fips and make one more high, and then maybe correct, just stay above the value area high with that next correction would be strong. And then with this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we don't want to hit the 618 because that's your invalidation. So fall back below this, and we have to shift again to this WXY now to complete the Z wave, and then this will have to be an A, B, C here inside this Y wave. Okay, so pretty clear on that. On this side, like invalidation is the 618. If we can hold and make another high, we will have a 5 wave move, and then important is that the next correction holds. Ideally be above the value area high, and from there we can then work our way higher. And of course, keep following the news, I guess. And that's really all I've got to say. We have already like a lot of levels here, but should this be an A and this be a B wave, let's just check where the C wave target would be. And it will also be in the box. So I'm gonna remove it, of course, because this is like, this place is loaded. But I hope that's clear to you. I mean, looking at Nvidia, I think this was maybe like a little bit of a recovery rally here, like nothing too bullish yet. Okay, here we have still moved down a lot. We're still not above the point of control here. This can easily be an A, B, and now a C wave, or a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If depends on if you want to label this an A, B, C, then we want to see a 5 wave move down here. If you want to label this WXY, we want to see a 3 wave move and an ABC here. Okay, so I will keep this view until we take this point of control at 187.87. As long as we don't do that, this can easily still drop. And then, yeah, of course, the S&P could drop with it. Google here. Yeah, still this box, I'm keeping it here, taken from this A wave to the B wave. Can also be labeled WX and then ABC in a wave Y. Meta, also still grinding above the trend line here. Microsoft, yeah, I made a separate video on it earlier. Amazon as well. So you can see like there's still indecision. Yes, the day was strong today, but we're still stuck, okay? Like we have been for the past months. And I don't think there's anything I can add here. Maybe the oil price, yeah, it will increase even more tomorrow, I think, because of the news about that strait that's being closed now. And yeah, of course, you don't want to see this keep going up. Like last time was Corona, the Corona pump, I guess. Wait, it actually dumped first, and then it pumped. But like here, this, let's just stay locally here. This was June when the other bombing of Iran happened. This is good, like go up and then just fall back down. But it looks like what I can read is, yeah, like the headlines now is that, yeah, this is closed, the Hormuz Strait. Would be nice to get maybe tomorrow evening news that it's back open, or like that it's gonna be good and that this drops again, okay? We don't want this to move too much to the upside and stay too much in the upside. What else? Gold and silver had a really weird day. Like they dumped as the market opened, but still nothing invalid. We can still push on both charts, and yeah, unless these local lows here on gold and on silver break. But for now, we're still far away from that. I mean, this one does not even have a local low, but yeah, maybe here the box, the end of the box here, because I have to label this as a 1-2-1-2, or like maybe even I can add fibs. That's not a good, no, forget what I said. The invalidation has to be here where this green line is. This was just a local range that I had marked. So let's see, tomorrow is gonna be really tricky. Sorry, I'm really tired and I'm trying to talk about a lot of things, maybe too many things, but yeah, I think I've said enough on the topic. So main focus, the S&P. Again, the value area high, and then to the downside, this area here. And then I'll keep you updated. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.